ku chava na gome eMayfair mixo namunthla endzhaku ku vutliwa ka n'wana ehandle ka muako wa xikolo.
When the mother dropped the child off, my daughter just saw a big guy coming outside the car with a gun, pointing the gun, then just took the child and put the child inside the car. So I heard the screaming. I asked her, what's happening, my daughter? So she was so traumatized, she couldn't even tell me.
Ndzawulo ya dyondzo ka xifundzankulu a va ri kona laha mhangu yi nga humelela kona, naswona vana lava nga vona loko mhangu yi humelela va lo kumeni ka mpfuno kusuka eka madokodela miehleketo.
You will understand that the police are investigating this matter. For us as the department is just to confirm that yes, the incident occurred, and we have confirmation from the MEC to say that he's quite concerned.
Ntlawa wa vatswari a va hlengeletane ehandle ka xikolo va lava ku tiva leswaku ku humelele yini na leswaku vana va vona va hlayisekile xana.
We didn't have even enough information what exactly happened. When it gets here, the gates were already closed. We're waiting for the school to communicate with us. When are the kids leaving and whatsoever. We have to organize transport time, change the time. It was very terrifying really because we're thinking of the safety of our kids.
Maphorisa va karhi ku lavisisa mhaka leyi.